To replace the battery, gently slide the battery door downwards until you feel a click. You can now remove the door. With a fingernail, gently lift the battery hatch open to expose the battery. Remove the old battery, using your magnetic removal tool if necessary. Dispose of battery according to local regulations. Remove the sticker on the plus sign side of the new battery. Be sure to use only new, high-quality batteries, as this gives the best quality in sound performance. Insert the new battery with the plus sign facing the plus sign marked on the processor's battery compartment. Gently press the battery hatch closed. Attach the battery door and slide it gently back into its locked position. Speak gently into the microphone.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
If you can feel the vibrations, you'll know that it's working properly.